Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save images. So what is meant by the image in internet? Now an image is something that has been created or stored in an electronic form which can be related to the graphics or raster graphics. To learn in more details you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So I'm going to open my Microsoft Edge. Now I will click on Google. Now I will search for, let's say, smartphones, and then go to the images. Now let's see if I want to save this image. All I have to do is simply right click on this image, click on the save as, then I can select wherever I want to save this picture, let's say the pictures directory. Then I can give it a name like the smartphones and hit enter. Now if I open my file explorer, so let's say, or if I just want, okay, I can just open the file from here. So now it is downloaded. Now to verify, I can just go to my file explorer. Then I can just go to my pictures. Now here is the smartphone picture. So this is how you can save images from the internet. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to save images from the internet. Thank you for watching.